guys in the lecture of HTML. Today we are going to see how to create horizontal list. Okay, we have created vertical list, right? List of two types, ordered and unordered, right? So today we are going to create a horizontal list. So let me open our previous file. Yeah, this is our listing, but this is vertically. We want it horizontally, right? Okay, so let me edit the same file here. Let me rename this horizontal list, right guys? Let me refresh and we got our title in the title bar. Okay, and now here let me create a list that is UL, and within a list, suppose first menu is home. Okay, and the second is about us, the third is our services, and the fourth one is contact us. Why we are creating horizontal list view? Because it will help us to create a menu or the navigation bar. Okay, let me show you example. uh, okay, this is the navigation, right guys? Anyone you can see here, this is the navigation. In short, this is the list in a horizontal view. Okay, so that's why we are creating this. Okay, let us refresh our page and we got our menu, but it's in vertical. So what we have to do, we have to target this list through style, through CSS. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm writing internal CSS here so that I can show you in the same page. Okay, so let me give a class here so that we can use in the style. Okay, what defined UL. Okay, defined UL I have given here, right? Okay, you can give the class name also, or you can directly use the tag name also, UL. Okay, but not for every tag you can use. Just do the practice. As the time comes, I will show you what and which tags we can use directly here. Okay, so I want to target UL. So if you are targeting any tag name, then there is no need to type dot or hash, because dot is for class and hash is for ID. Okay, just directly type like this. Okay, so here let me give color first. Okay, let me check whether it's working or not, right? Okay, we got our color. Okay, so before targeting UL, I would like to target LI first. Okay, so in LI I want to show this as horizontal. So simple, you have to use display inline. Okay, bingo, we got our menu here: home, about us, our services, contact us, but there is no space. Okay, so I will use padding here. Some space is there. Okay, we got the space. Okay, and I would like to give some background color. Okay, so the text, let me put this in a hyperlink. Okay, because we have to give some path if we click on that to make it a real navigation bar, right? So we have to put this in anchor tag. Okay, so same wise our services a href equal to, right now I am giving just hash. Okay, later on we will give the path of the file. Okay, so now we are getting our menu here. Hmm? But as you saw, the previous the text was red, but now it's blue because now the text is present within a or the anchor tag. So this will not work, useless. Okay, so now you have to give some color to anchor tag, right? So just simply type anchor a, right? Color to red we got, but we don't want underline. So to remove underline, the text decoration is there, just set to none, right? Now let me give the background color here. Let me give suppose black. Okay, we got our text. Let make it white, right? And here you have to give background color equal to fff, right? Now coming to the main portion, that is ul. Here why I am targeting ul, because I want to give the background color as black, right? Background color black, let me give. Okay, so we got our background color as black, but some space is there. So simply to remove this, you can remove all this property and you can take a div here, right? Just make a div as parent. Within a div, just write the ul tag. Okay, now give some name to this div. Okay, I am using nav. So here we are getting our text, but it's white color, so we are not able to see basically. So I am targeting nav, that is the div. Okay, and I am giving background color. Yeah, we got our nav here, right? Padding 20%. Okay, so this is the big one, so 10% I think. Yeah, perfect. And margin I would like to set to 0. Okay, I think margin is not working here. So if I give to body, okay, so there is a property in css. If you want to make any css property throughout the whole page, okay, so there is an attribute called star. After star you can write whatever you would like to. Okay, so in the star body I would like to give margin, so margin 0, it is coming here. I hope you guys understand this. Okay, so this star property we are using for throughout the website or the throughout the project. This is a universal attribute. Okay, and what we have did we have take a div here with a class name nav, and we have given background color black as to the navigation and padding 10 px. right? And simply we have targeted our li and display in line we have given, so that it will display in a line, means horizontal, right guys? And between the li there are four li's, right? So between the li we have given padding 10%, sorry, pixel, 10 pixel, right? And we have targeted a, means anchor tag, to color white, and text decoration to remove underline we have set it to none, right guys? I hope you understand this. Let me give a little bit more padding here. I think 20 will be enough, right? Okay guys, so this is your assignment for today. Okay, so for this you have to take a class in li, means in the first li you have to give some class here, suppose active, right? And active you have to target with the blue, and rest by default it will take black. Okay, let me show you here. Just simply I will write active, and I will give background color to any other color. I don't know which color is this, but let's see our output. Okay, okay, okay guys, so do practice. See you in the next lecture guys, and complete the task also, right? See you.